Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can control who can comment on your threads. So guys, want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step to take is to open your Threads app. So let me tap on my Threads app to open it. So guys, I'm on my Threads app right now. Sometimes for some reasons we want to make a post on Threads and we don't actually want everyone to comment on it or to reply to it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and for you to do that, you can do that in two ways. First of all, you can do that while making a post. At the moment you're trying to make a post on Threads, you can actually control who can comment on your threads. Secondly, you can do that after you've posted your threads. So guys, let's start with the first method. So let me make a post. For me to make a post, I have to tap on the pen and paper icon at the center there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, let me make a post. Let me start a thread. Let me put up a write-up, and let me also add a link. This link is a video on my YouTube channel on how to generate AI images for free. So guys, want to know how to generate AI images of yourself, go over to my YouTube channel and you see a video and we teach you how to generate AI images of yourself using an AI app. So guys, now we've created our post. For you to actually control who can comment on this thread, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written anyone can reply. You can see it there just below the post. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see the pop-up now. You can actually put it on anyone. That means anyone on Threads, anyone using the Threads app can actually comment if you leave it at anyone. The second option is profiles you follow. So if you want people that you actually follow on Threads to see this post, to actually comment and reply on this post, then you choose the second option. But if you actually want specific persons to actually comment or reply on this post, what you have to do is to tap on the third one. What I mean by the third one is that the third option requires you to mention people on this comment. Let me show you. Let me choose the third one so you see what I'm talking about. Let me tap on it. So guys, immediately we choose mentioned only. You can see what is written there now. Profiles you mention can reply. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go ahead to mention some profiles. So let me mention some profiles, and for you to do that, you have to use the @ symbol. You can see it, @ symbol. Let me mention someone. So guys can see I've mentioned someone. Let me mention another person. So guys, as it is now, these two persons that I mentioned in this post will be the only ones to actually comment or reply on this post. So guys, in creating a post, this is how you can actually control who can comment on your threads. Guys, I'll be deleting these profiles that I mentioned. I did this just to show you guys an example. So let me put it on anyone and remove it from mentioned only. So let me tap on the first option. Then I can go ahead to delete these mentioned profiles. Let me delete them. So guys, now I've been able to choose who can comment on my thread. So once you're done choosing, you tap on post. So let me make the post. You can see it's posting. So guys, now let's go over to the second method that you can use to control who can comment on your thread, and that is after you've made your post. So let's go over to the post that I've made in the past in this Threads app. Let me tap on my Threads profile icon. So guys, you can see the post that we've just made. So let me go over to look for another post. So guys, over here now, this is the post that we made 2 weeks ago. So if I want to actually control who can comment on this thread, who can comment on this post, what I have to do now is to tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the top of the post. You can see it there. So guys, over here now, what you have to do is to tap on the first option, which is who can reply. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see those options that we had in our first method. So guys, for you to control who can comment on this thread, what you have to do now is to choose from this option. If you want only those you follow on threads to actually comment on this post, what you have to do is to choose the second option. But if you actually want to mention some certain profile so that they can actually comment on this post, what you have to do is to choose the third option. So guys, this is how you can actually control who can comment on your threads post. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.